Welcome to the Advanced Guide to BMO Smart Saver, a comprehensive tool designed to help you manage your finances effectively. The BMO Smart Saver is a high-interest savings account that allows you to earn interest on your savings while maintaining easy access to your funds. To get started, you will need to open a BMO Smart Saver account, which can be done online or in person at a BMO branch. Once your account is open, you can set up automatic transfers from your primary checking account to your Smart Saver account, allowing you to save a fixed amount regularly. One of the key concepts of the BMO Smart Saver is the ability to set savings goals. You can create multiple savings goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or a vacation, and allocate a specific amount to each goal. This feature helps you stay focused and motivated to reach your savings objectives. In addition to setting savings goals, the BMO Smart Saver also offers a feature called Savings Rules. Savings rules allow you to automate your savings by setting up rules that transfer funds to your Smart Saver account based on specific conditions, such as when you receive a paycheck or when you make a purchase. To maximize the benefits of the BMO Smart Saver, it is essential to practice good savings habits. This includes making regular deposits, avoiding unnecessary withdrawals, and monitoring your account activity regularly. You can also take advantage of the high interest rate offered by the BMO Smart Saver to earn more interest on your savings over time. As a best practice, consider setting up a budget and tracking your expenses to understand where your money is going in. Identify areas where you can cut back and save more. You can also use the BMO Smart Saver mobile app to access your account, transfer funds, and monitor your savings progress on the go. In conclusion, the BMO Smart Saver is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your savings goals and develop healthy financial habits. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can make the most of your BMO Smart Saver account and start building a stronger financial future. Remember to stay disciplined, patient, and consistent in your savings efforts, and you will be on your way to reaching your financial objectives.